You entered the address correctly, or did you? One tiny mistake and your package could disappear. So in this video, I will show you how to check any address using USPS in under 2 minutes. Step 1. Go to the USPS website. So open Google and search USPS address lookup, or go directly to the official USPS tools page. Step 2. You are looking for the zip code lookup tool. So click on the option that says Find by Address. Now this lets you verify a full address. Step 3. Enter the address details. So fill in the following required fields carefully. Make sure there are no spelling mistakes here. Step 4. Check the suggested result. So USPS will show you the standardized version of the address. Look for correct spelling, proper format, and zip+4 code, which is for extra accuracy. Next is step 5. Fix any errors. So if USPS changes something, use their version. Why? Because their system is optimized for accurate delivery. So there's a question now, why address checking matters? It's because if the zip code is wrong, there's a chance of delayed delivery. And if the apartment number is missing, the package would be returned. For typos, the package lost or misbehaved. Now these mistakes cost time, money, and sometimes customers. This was all. Thanks for watching.